Today, I'm making myself a prom dress. In the middle of June? Yes. Is this your first prom? Yes. Last prom? Yes. Am I homeschooled? Sure am. Is this a bad idea? No. Yes. I'm making a prom dress. In the middle of June. This is going to be my first prom and my last prom. Sure am. It's
gonna be interesting.
I'm stuck at home. Craft stores are, I think they're closed. Alexa, is Michael craft store open? No. Can't really like go places to get materials, so I definitely have to like look for materials at home, so it might be unconventional materials. I don't know. I do have some other alternatives that might kind of make it. Welcome to my beautiful floor where I do a lot of craft projects. So I looked all over my room, like my closet. I have some materials. They're not the best materials that I have. These used to be part of the curtains or the canopy on top of my bed. I can use this for something, but I could use it. So then a video long time I watched is someone making a dress out of paper. That's what I think I'm gonna try to do today. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do, because so I might use a little bit decoration or some like pizzazz into the dress. I have pencil and tape. I almost said Snape. Scissors and a pencil. And yeah, I want to try like a mermaid dress, but I know paper is not the best to work with on a mermaid dress. I might just make a regular, what is a regular? A dress that is like pretty fitted on the top and then just goes like out. Ooh, I don't know how to make this dress. If I want to put it on, I just like tape it. I'm just gonna move to my desk. I think I'm gonna start out with the belt. I'm just gonna put paper on top and then I'm just gonna tape both sides. I'm gonna try and see if it wraps around me. It fits me pretty well. I think I'm gonna trim probably a third off. So I'm gonna take scissors and just eyeball a third, and yeah, that's just fun game. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut out triangles or full triangles into it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna start from the middle. Project Runway, they do like this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. Ooh. You just can't get in.
Ooh, this turned out pretty good. So now it looks like there's a curve into it. So yeah, it does have a curve. So now I'm gonna do the top. Then I'm gonna do the same as the belt, but do it horizontal. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna make a top because I normally don't make. Okay, I don't even made a dress in my life before. I made for dolls. I think I'm just gonna wrap it around somehow. Wow. Ooh, wow. Now I have this weird crop top. So yeah, I think this is the top. It's a really weird crop top. And then maybe under here. weird. This is how it looks so far. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do the back. I think I'm just gonna keep it like that. Damn, okay. This is going somewhere. I'm going to try to put these two pieces together. I think the top is actually pretty cute. I'm not sure about the belt because it does feel a little bit too high. So yeah, I'm back from a really extremely long break. I just saw a rocket launch and now it's going to the space station. Then I did some rollerblading. I almost died a few times. Then I had a really long snack. 2 snacks. So I put together the top. It is kind of looking really cute. But yeah, I found a mannequin in my attic. Make it easier to like put the pieces together. And so yeah, this is Bob the headless mannequin. Bob is very shy. Dang, I look like a fashion designer. This is kind of bothering me because it's not like in place. It's not the most perfect top. It's kind of there. It has kind of a form. So I'm proud of it. I think I'm gonna do the skirt and I'm just probably gonna like layer paper until I have a skirt. And yeah, I guess we'll be done with the dress.
You look just like my first love. I've been a fool just like you said. Just like you said. Just like you said.
I'm gonna have like 1,000 paper cuts after. I'm gonna smooth out the straps to make it more flexible. So it is sunset right now, but I have the dress done. So I had the straps, they're pretty bent right now, they're very flexible. Now Bob is transformed into Barbarella. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try on the dress and I'm gonna see how the back fits on me. I don't know if it's gonna fit on me. Oh no, the dress is not gonna fit. I don't have a back of the dress and this is probably one of my biggest issues. Since I was very little, I love to do the front side of the dress, but I can't do the back side. I'm gonna like add extension. Probably I might be done in like 30 minutes. I don't know. But it is so pretty. Like the sunset. Barbarella is glowing. I think I'm done. It does look like a bride's dress, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna try on and see if it fits well, and then I'm gonna like fix the back, tape up all the extra holes and all that, and then we'll get start decorating. So yeah, let's try it on. Whoa, this is so flowy. I still need some for my butt. Good morning. It's currently the next day and my hair is at its finest. So this is my dress currently. It's pretty weird looking so far, but hopefully when I put it on it's gonna look way much better. I'm gonna have so much paper cuts. Hey, this is kind of cute. I'm gonna try with mesh on top.
A few moments later.
I feel the paper cut. This is dress. It is very pretty. Actually, it stays on me really well. It's very noisy. The back is kind of crooked. There's one part of the skirt which is a little bit shorter than the rest. First time making a dress out of paper. Hey, not too bad. Maybe for prom I will go for like a different color, maybe like lavender or kind of like a light blue. But it is 100% recyclable. I hope you guys enjoy my video and see you guys next time for a brand new video. Bye! This dress is so noisy. Wow. Makes so noisy.